Hello, welcome. A quick one on this 1997 question 6. What will be the value of 2 pi on 3 radians in degrees? Remember our episode how we change from degree to radian and radian to degree. By recall, we know that since we are from degree, pi is equals to 180 degrees. So if I'm looking for one of these, that means 1 radian is equals to 180 divided by pi. That is dividing both sides by pi. So if 1 is this multiply. So your theta that you are looking for is just the value we have here, 2 pi on 3 times the convection, 180 divided by what? Pi. Where pi will cancel pi, this right here will go here, 60. 60 times this will give you 120. So the value we are looking for here is the B as what? 120 degrees is the same as what? 2 pi on 3. I guess if you watched the previous episode, this would have been a 5 seconds calculation for you. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.